So hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how can we install VM Workstation Pro officially. So few months ago, VMware officially announced that they're going to provide Workstation Pro 17 free for personal users. Now in order to download the Workstation Pro 17, it is quite a difficult task. We need to do some sort of things. But for you, what I did is I have downloaded the VM Workstation Pro and I upload it in Google Drive. So you can simply go and click on this link. The link is in the description box. You can click in this link. Once you click in this link, you'll redirect to this Google Drive page. You can simply download the VM Workstation Pro. Let me download it. So we can download the file. As you can see, it is the 504 MB. Let me save it here. Now the file is going to download, and to extract this file we need WinRAR. So you can download the WinRAR from here as per your architecture. You can simply download the WinRAR from here. Now I guess, yeah, my file is downloaded. So this is my file, VMware 17 Pro, that is totally official from VM itself. So we need to extract it. Let me extract it here. Yes, so the file is extracted. So inside this file we have the VM Workstation Pro, that is the official Workstation Pro from where I download this. So I don't think that this link is going to be work, because yeah, it has the expiry date. But just for you, you can check that this VM is downloaded from Broadcom. So to install the software, we can simply double click on it. Let's wait for the startup menu. And just to clarify that, before before VMware declared their 17 Pro for personal use, we used to like use the crack version, but now we don't have to use it, because now we have the VM 17 Pro officially from the VM itself. So as you can see that this is the installation step, and VM is preparing for installation. It is creating some files in C drive. Okay, now the installation is done, I guess, and we need to restart the system in order to complete the installation. So I'm going to restart my laptop and I'll be right back. Okay. Okay, so we have restart our laptop. Now let's go to the download folder. So here's our VM. Let's click on it and again try to install it. Now this time it is successfully installed, and we can check the VM. So here it is actually installing. So we just need to click yes, and this is the end user agreement. We have to accept it. Click next. Again, install hypervision platform automatically. You have to check this. And check this also. Click next. Click next and click next. Now everything is done. Let's install the VM. So when you try to install it, make sure first you install, and after that it will require you to restart your system. Once you restart your system, just click on the install setup, and then it going to be installed. Okay, so in this case the VM17 is totally installed, and as we can see that it doesn't ask us the license key or the product key. Let's wait for it to install. Now it is installed. If we click on license, we can add the license, or we can simply skip it. We don't have to enter the license. Why we don't have to enter the license? Because we are using the VirtualBox for personal use. If you are using VirtualBox for corporate use, company use, you can simply put your license. Otherwise you can simply skip it and finish it. Now our installation has been completed. Let's open the VMware, double click on it. Here we have the license key and use VM17 for personal use. So just click on VM17 for personal use and click continue, and finished. So now here is your VMware 17 Pro officially from VMware Workstation. So this is how it gonna looks, and you can simply check help section and you can update it if there is any update. Let me check if there is any update or not. Alternatively, you can enter the key here, registered VM here. Okay, the VM is totally up to date. So this is how we can install a VirtualBox.